Hello, my dear student, and welcome to the class 7 of mathematics. We were studying chapter 1 integer, and the topic was properties of integer, under which today we are going to study some important properties and distributive property. Now, what are that properties? That are multiplication by 0, then multiplicative identity, additive identity, and distributive property. Okay, so let's start studying one by one. So the first property which we are going to study about the integer is a multiplication by 0. Now we know that when any whole number is multiplied by 0 gives 0. मतलब किसी भी होल नंबर को जब आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपका आंसर क्या आता है? ऑफ कोर्स 0 आता है. So let us check whether it is true for integer or not. So for an example, I am multiplying here negative 3 by 0. That is 3 zeros are 0, means answer is a 0. Now if I multiply any number or 0 by any negative integer, then also I am getting 0. Like 0 multiplied by negative 6 also gives a 0. Now remember, don't give any sign to the 0, like negative 0, positive 0. Why? Because 0 is neither positive and nor negative. 0 has no any sign. Remember this. Okay, so what do we observe from this? That product of integer and 0 is also a 0. So in general, for any integer a multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by a is always 0. Okay, so the next property is a multiplicative identity. Now we know that when any whole number is multiplied by 1, we get the answer as the number itself. मतलब आप किसी भी नंबर को जब 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आंसर क्या आता है? वही नंबर मिलता है आपको. सो सेम इन केस ऑफ इंटीजर और नॉट. लेट अस चेक वेदर इट इज़ ट्रू फॉर इंटीजर और नॉट. सो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, मल्टीप्लाई एनी इंटीजर बाय 1, like negative 3 multiplied by 1, 3 ones are 3, which is a negative. Now 1 multiplied by negative 6, again answer is a negative 6. So that 1 is what? After multiplying by 1 to any integer, we get the number or we get the result as the integer itself. This shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers also. So for here we can say that a multiplied by 1 or 1 multiplied by a gives you the result as the a itself. Okay, after studying this, the next property is the additive identity. So what is this additive identity? It is somewhat same like a multiplicative identity, but in this case we have to consider the operation of addition. So when we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. मतलब आप इंटीजर में कभी भी 0 ऐड करते हो तो आपको आंसर वही इंटीजर मिलता है. लाइक हियर negative 2 plus 0, what do we get? Negative 2. Or 0 plus negative 37, answer is negative 37. So what do you think? What should we add to this negative 61 to get the answer as a negative 61 again? Of course, that is what? 0. So if you add 0 to this negative 61, you will get the answer as a negative 61. So here we can say that 0 is an additive identity. So in general, a plus 0 or 0 plus a, answer is a only. Okay, so the next property, that is an important property, which is named as a distributive property. So for studying this, we have to study this in two cases. The first case is what? Over addition. Now why it is called as addition? Because here is the sign of addition. Now what this property says that a multiplied by in bracket b plus c is same as a into b plus a into c, like a into b and then a into c. Okay, so to understand this, let us take any three integers and use it in this equation and check both the side, like this LHS and then RHS. So here First we will check left hand side. So negative 2 into bracket 3 plus 5. So first solve this bracket. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is what? 8, and then multiply it. 8 2s are 16, that is a negative 16. Now in the second solve like a RHS. So negative 2 into 3, so I am here multiply negative 2 into 3 plus negative 2 into 5. So what is the answer of this? Negative 2 into 3, answer is a negative 6, and negative 2 into 5, answer is a negative 10. Okay, and after adding we get the answer as a negative 16. So we get here that result is same from both the side. So we see here that negative 2 into bracket 3 plus 5 is same as negative 2 into 3 plus negative 2 into 5. So we can say that the distribution of multiplication over addition is true for integer, that is a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Now next case is the same property but over the subtraction. Why? Because we have here minus sign. So a into bracket b minus c is same as ab minus ac. Okay, so let us check from both hand sides. Take any three integer like 4 into bracket 3 minus 8. So first solve the bracket. 3 minus 8, answer is a negative 5, and then multiply it. 4 5s are 20, so answer is negative 20. Okay, now next is what? As per the right hand side, 4 into 3 minus 4 into 8. So 4 3s are what? 4 3s are 12 here, and 4 8s are 32 here. So after subtraction we get the answer as a negative 20, which is same like the LHS. Means what we get here, that LHS and RHS are same. So in general, for any integers a, b and c, a multiplied by in bracket b minus c is same as a into b minus a into c. Means distribution of multiplication over subtraction is also true in case of integer. Okay, so what all the properties, important properties of integers we finished. Now I will request you to justify all the properties by taking integers of your own. Thank you for watching the session.